Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be demonstrating if you have a BMW guys X3, pretty much any generation E83 F25 guys, and you have or even the generation after that, and you guys have any of the following 8 codes that you can see in the corner of the video guys. We'll explain what causes that and how to fix it guys. Okay, you will not have all 8 codes, you will most likely have 1 or 2 at the time guys, and we'll explain 90% of the time what causes that and how to fix that. We're doing that guys as a video request. Okay, some of you left comments in the video, in the comment section under our videos guys, asking for that because there is limited information on BMW X3. Many of you do not know, and I don't blame you guys, that the same engine actually has been used in 3 series, 5 series, 1 series BMW X3, X5 guys. So practically it's the same for all of them. Even if you have a 4-6-cylinder engine guys, procedure will be the same, okay, to fix any of the following 8 codes. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make close to 400-500 videos. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys need to buy any of the parts or tools that we use to fix the problem, check out the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so you can find them easily guys. We share them there. Now, this specifically is N52 6-cylinder gasoline engine, okay, that we'll be demonstrating on, and we'll explain what causes any of the 8 codes. Step number 1 will be, okay, before we even start guys, okay, getting to that problem, disconnect your car battery, because we'll be really close to starter, positive battery wire, alternator wire here as well, and you can short things out, catch the car on fire, cause damage to the electrical system guys. So always guys, disconnect the car battery. Now, some of you may not know which battery terminal you need to disconnect first and which one to reconnect first. Now, we have a video that explains all that for pretty much any car, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience guys. Please check it out. Second, intake manifold, okay, right here, this is your intake manifold, needs to come out. The whole thing needs to be removed guys, and every time you remove it, okay, replace your gaskets as well guys, because that will be the time, otherwise you can develop vacuum leaks that are hard to diagnose sometimes. And if you don't know how to do the intake manifold, we have a video on the channel that explains that, and I'll put it in the description of the video below as well. Now, we're demonstrating on 6-cylinder engine, but if you have a 4-cylinder engine, things will be very similar. Not the same, but very similar. Now, with that being said, okay, you have guys 2 sensors, okay, 2 black sensors right here, one there. Those are known as NOx sensors guys. Those are the ones that detects, okay, the combustion of the cylinders, okay, if everything's happening good, if it's happening too early or too late, and it's going to adjust the timing according to that, so you don't cause any damage to your valves, pistons, okay, because premature, okay, combustion can cause quite a bit of damage guys, or late one as well. So that being said, those are the sensor 1, NOx sensor 1, NOx sensor 2, or NOx sensor bank 1, bank 2. Now, any of the 8 codes, 90% of the time you have a bad NOx sensor, loose connection or something like that. You don't even need to guess which one it is, because both of them come to one connector that you just simply disconnect here. You get a special tool that's called a reverse Torx, okay, this one right there, and you just go ahead, remove the bolt in the middle. Okay, just go ahead, unscrew the bolt, super simple, and once you guys unscrew the bolt, okay, it comes out. Before you install them, make sure everything's clean, no dirt, no oil leaks underneath where the NOx sensor is contacting the cylinder wall, engine block wall, excuse me. That way you can make sure that it's contacting correctly. Hopefully guys, that will fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.